Hello, today is section 1.3, which is really just word problems. Your favorite, I know. So there's going to be several that say to write an expression. An expression means it's like just the left half. There's no equal and no what it equals to. It's just half of an equation. And they will have you convert words into an algebraic expression. So they'll have the sum of two numbers, and you'll have to know that you add it, or the product, and you'll need to know multiplying, or less than would generally mean you're going to subtract, or ratio might indicate division. When we get to the equations, which is the second section, they will often use the word is to represent equal. They will also expect you to know some basic standard formulas like distance equals rate times time, or the perimeter of rectangle is adding up all of the sides, whereas the area of a rectangle is length times width. So there's a few of the basics. Let's look at a few of the problems. So one of them is the distance a car travels in T hours at a rate of 55 miles per hour. This was, again, write an algebraic expression for the verbal description. The distance a car travels, T hours, and it's going at 55 miles per hour. So they just want you to write 55T. Sounds silly, but that's what this section is. Here's another one that they will do. The perimeter of a rectangle with a width of x. So let's look at our famous board. The perimeter of a rectangle. We're going to be adding all four sides. It says the width is x. So that means the other width is x. And then it says the length is twice the width. And it says it wants the perimeter. So add up all the sides. X plus 2x plus x plus 2x. 2, 4, 5, 6. They want you to write 6x for an expression for this perimeter. Then the other type they're going to hit you with a lot is write a mathematical model and solve. So there we're going to have the equals. So here's one of the typical. The sum of two consecutive natural numbers is 525. Find the numbers. Sum immediately tells us we're going to add two consecutive natural numbers. If we start at any one, n, like 3, the next one is 1 bigger, isn't it? 4. So n plus 1. Those are consecutive numbers. If they wanted consecutive even numbers or consecutive odd numbers, the first one starts at n, but the next one adds 2. Those are consecutive odd numbers or consecutive even numbers. Here's consecutive numbers. The sum of, I think it said 525. So the first one plus the second one equals 525. Then it becomes just your algebra problem. N plus n, 2n plus 1 equals 525. And subtract 1, 2n equals 524. Divide by 2. So the first number is, goes in there, 2, 12, 6, 2. 262, which makes the next one 263. That's this section. Remember, always call, email, join a Teams meeting if you have any questions. Thank you.